Imagine a world without X-rays. Think about the mysteries of the atom, still shrouded in darkness. This was the world before Marie Curie. Through her relentless curiosity and tireless efforts, she unearthed secrets of the universe that would forever alter our understanding of science. Her discoveries paved the way for groundbreaking medical treatments, revolutionized our understanding of matter, and continue to shape our world today. Marie Curie's life was a testament to the power of perseverance, a shining example of brilliance and bravery in a male-dominated field. Born Maria Skłodowska in 1867, Warsaw, Poland, Marie's childhood was marked by both intellectual curiosity and political turmoil. Poland, then controlled by Russia, offered limited opportunities for women, especially in education. Driven by a thirst for knowledge, Marie defied these constraints. She pursued her studies with unwavering dedication, devouring books in secret and attending clandestine classes. These early challenges instilled in her a resilience and determination that would define her life's journey. Despite facing financial hardship, Marie yearned for something more. She dreamt of studying at the Sorbonne in Paris, a beacon of academic freedom and opportunity. Finally, at the age of 24, she realized her dream, moving to Paris and immersing herself in the world of physics and mathematics. It was in this vibrant intellectual landscape that she would blossom into the groundbreaking scientist the world would come to know as Marie Curie. Marie Curie's scientific contributions were nothing short of revolutionary. Her investigations into radioactivity, a term she coined, opened up a whole new realm of scientific exploration. Working alongside her husband, Pierre Curie, she meticulously investigated the mysterious properties of uranium. Their tireless efforts in a makeshift laboratory, often lacking proper equipment and ventilation, led to a groundbreaking discovery: the existence of two new elements, polonium and radium. These discoveries sent shockwaves through the scientific community. Here were elements that challenged the very foundations of physics as it was understood. They emitted an invisible energy, a phenomenon that captivated the world's attention. Marie's meticulous research and groundbreaking findings earned her and Pierre the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1903, making her the first woman to receive this prestigious award. Marie Curie's discoveries were not confined to the realm of theoretical physics. They had profound and immediate implications for medicine. The radioactive properties of radium, in particular, held immense potential for treating cancer. Marie, ever the pragmatist, recognized this potential and dedicated herself to harnessing it for the benefit of humanity. During World War I, she tirelessly advocated for the use of portable X-ray machines on the battlefield, saving countless lives. These machines, dubbed Petites Curies, became instrumental in locating shrapnel and bullets in wounded soldiers, revolutionizing battlefield medicine. Her tireless efforts demonstrated her unwavering commitment to alleviating human suffering through scientific advancement. A woman of firsts, celebrating Curie's achievements. Marie Curie's life was a series of extraordinary milestones. She was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize, the first person and only woman to win Nobel Prizes in two different scientific fields, and the first woman to become a professor at the Sorbonne. Her achievements transcended the limitations placed upon women in her time, paving the way for future generations of female scientists. In 1911, she was awarded her second Nobel Prize, this time in chemistry, for her isolation of radium. This unprecedented achievement solidified her place as a scientific icon. Her relentless pursuit of knowledge, coupled with her unwavering dedication to using science for the betterment of humanity, made her a true pioneer and an inspiration for generations to come. Beyond the lab coat, fun facts about Marie Curie. Beyond her groundbreaking discoveries, Marie Curie was a woman of many dimensions. Here are some intriguing facts that offer a glimpse into her life beyond the laboratory. A bicycle built for two. After their wedding, Marie and Pierre Curie used their Nobel Prize money to buy bicycles and embark on a romantic cycling tour of France. Glowing in the dark, Marie Curie was known to carry test tubes of radium in her pockets, fascinated by their luminescence. She even described them as glowing faintly in the dark, a legacy in education. Marie Curie's daughter, Irene Joliot-Curie, followed in her footsteps, winning the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1935 with her husband, Frédéric Joliot-Curie. These anecdotes reveal a woman deeply passionate about science and life, a woman who found joy in simple pleasures and dedicated herself to her family and her work with equal fervor. Understanding can change the world. Lessons from a pioneer, embracing Curie's spirit. Marie Curie's life offers timeless lessons for us all. Her unwavering dedication to her work, even in the face of adversity, teaches us the importance of perseverance. Her insatiable curiosity reminds us to never stop questioning, never stop exploring the world around us. And her commitment to sharing her knowledge, to using it for the betterment of humanity, serves as a powerful call to action. Let us embrace the spirit of Marie Curie, a spirit of relentless curiosity, unwavering dedication, and compassionate service to humanity. By embracing these values, we can continue to illuminate the world, just as she did, with the transformative power of knowledge and discovery.